Learn a natural recipe to boost your immunity in a single night. Do you know someone who has the flu or someone who is very tired with recurrent infections, or even hair loss? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but these are just some of the symptoms of people with low immunity. When noticing any of these symptoms, it is important to adopt measures that help strengthen immunity, such as having a healthy diet. Take advantage and comment below on the city or state you are watching us in, and also tell me if it is cold or hot in there, because here in Paraíba it is very hot. For the recipe, you will only need 4 cloves of garlic, 4 lemons, 10 tablespoons of pure honey, and 200 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Peel the 4 garlic cloves and cut them into small pieces, and now do the same with the lemons. What I'm going to show you now can literally make you increase your immunity using only natural foods. At first you may be afraid that it won't work, but I am sure that the moment you put it into practice, you will notice the results in a short time. So get ready, because what I'm going to show you now can really help you get a top immunity. I would like to pass on a biblical message that is in Philippians 4 verse 9. Put into practice everything you have learned, received, heard, and seen in me, and the God of peace will be with you. In other words, when we practice what we learn in the Bible, we reflect the God we have, and He is by our side always, even if we don't deserve it. Reflect on this message, and meanwhile, pour the olive oil into this container. And now add the honey and mix well. A tip: when mixing, give preference to a wooden or plastic spoon, but not metal. And your recipe is ready. Another important tip: you should only use the liquid part of the recipe. And how to use it? The ideal is 1 to 2 tablespoons before the main meals, and the storage should be in the refrigerator, okay? There you go. Simple, fast, and cheap. So, did you like this recipe? If you liked it, share it with your friends and family. If you're going to make it, comment here. I will make this recipe for me to know. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Stay with God and see you next time. Bye bye.